What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jules here. I'm going to be doing an update on CRV, Curve DAO. A couple things real quick. First and foremost, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Also, guys, I am excited that I am working on building out a trading platform for you guys that will dive down deeper into my style of trading, my analysis, the way I view market structure, Elliott wave, price action, all of that sort of stuff. It'll be twofold, guys. I'll have some free information on there, a free course, and then I will also have paid services as well. The paid services will be, for the most part, group coaching sessions with myself that will be more intimate, and also one-on-one coaching sessions as well. These classes will be very limited. I'm only going to do a couple of them a month. So I've got a link below. If you guys have interest in signing up, I will notify you all via email once that is built out and ready, which I anticipate being in a month or two. All right, let's dive in. CRV. So do a basic overview here real quick from a macro standpoint, and then I will dive into the details of where I see this going, if it's correcting still, if it's impulsive or what. So I view, guys, this entire structure here as a corrective structure. This is an A, B, C, and then this is our first macro wave up, our first macro wave, one of 5 macro waves, which create one entire cycle. So I believe this will be our current cycle, and this will be our, roughly the course of how price will unfold over the next several months. So I see us completing our 1, our 2, and we are now completing our micro 1. I'm sorry, we are on our micro 2 now. We're completing our micro 2. We were up our micro 1, down our micro 2. We'll dive into this to see if this correction is over. Up next will be our micro 3 around 36, and then a corrective wave, creating our micro 4, and then our final micro 5 wave up to create the top of our macro 3 wave around $61. And then a lot depends, whatever happens up here depends really on the market, what Bitcoin looks like, what's going on, how bullish we still are. There's a couple different things that can happen up here. One, we could do a truncated fifth, which would basically mean it would look something like this, where you've got your corrective structure, and then you've got your 5 wave structure up, and then that would be a truncated fifth. That's option 1. And then obviously this would become the bear market. And at that point, as far as I'm concerned, pretty much the entire crypto space will be in a bear market. The other potential possibility, depending on how quickly we get to macro 3, will be, our 5 wave reaching over, above and beyond our 3 wave, which could potentially extend, to, somewhere around $100. So that's best case scenario, in my opinion, on this. All right, guys, let's dive in on the smaller time frame to where I think we are in our correction. Let's get rid of this line so this doesn't clutter up the chart. Oops, grabbed the wrong one. All right, let's get rid of this line. Declutter the chart. Okay, so here we are, guys. I've got our 1 wave up here. I've got this as a, this is a WXY A wave basically, and then a B up here, and then a C down here. I believe, based on what I'm seeing right now, that our correction is over. Obviously, it could change. This to me is looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete our C wave down. This structure is kind of odd looking right now, but as price unfolds, you know, my guess is what we're looking at is probably you're probably looking at something like this, 1, 2, and you'll have a 3 up to about $6, 4 corrective wave, and then a 5. And this looks like an A, B, C, or maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be an A, B. That's probably an A, B, C. Let's see. Let's see what this is. So this is probably an A, B, C. So this is probably going to be a curve, some sort of a, this 2 wave here looks like it's probably going to be some sort of a, you know, a double 3 or a triple 3 corrective pattern. So this will probably turn into a WXY. But either way, I think our next, if this is a 1 and this is indeed a corrective pattern here, and this is a 2, our next step up will be around $6. And then from there, that it will be around 5. That will create our micro 1 of our next leg up to $36. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. See y'all later.